Every day, millions of people ask ChatGPT to write code, draft legal documents, or even compose poetry. It feels like magic, like there's a tiny, brilliant human inside your machine. But there is no ghost in the machine. There is only math. Specifically, a revolutionary architecture known as the transformer. Let's peel back the interface and see how it actually thinks. Before 2017, AI read text exactly like you do, sequentially. Word by word, left to right, using recurrent neural networks. But this sequential assembly line had massive bottlenecks. The first problem was memory. By the time the AI processed the end of a long paragraph, it suffered from vanishing gradients. It completely forgot how the sentence began. Everything changed in 2017. A team of Google researchers published a paper that altered human history. They proposed a radical new idea. They threw away the sequential assembly line. The transformer processes all words simultaneously. This unlocked the true power of modern GPUs, turning years of training into mere days. But how does it work? First, AI doesn't read English. It reads numbers. It chops words into pieces called tokens. Then, it translates these tokens into embeddings. An embedding is a high-dimensional mathematical map of meaning. Words with similar meanings are physically pulled closer together in this vast space. The AI maps the universe of human language into pure geometry. Because meaning is mapped to coordinates, the AI can perform math on concepts. King minus man plus woman equals queen. It understands relationships through spatial distance. But parallel processing creates a new problem. If all words are processed at exactly the same time, how does the AI know the order? Dog bites man, and man bites dog look identical. To fix this, the transformer uses positional encoding. It adds mathematical wave patterns to the embeddings, giving each word a unique timestamp. It gives order to the chaos. Now for the heartbeat of the system, self-attention. This allows the model to look at surrounding words to figure out the exact context. It dynamically weighs how much attention each word should pay to the others. Every word asks a question, called a query. It checks the keys of surrounding words. When a query matches a key, the model extracts the value. This is how the word bank knows it's a riverbank, not a financial institution. And it doesn't just do this once. ChatGPT uses multi-head attention. It splits its focus into dozens of parallel heads. One head analyzes grammar, another historical facts, another emotional tone. It sees language multi-dimensionally. Once the context is understood, the results pass through a feed-forward neural network. This is the AI's memorized knowledge, applying what it learned from reading the entire internet to solidify its understanding. A single transformer block is smart, but OpenAI stacked dozens of them. The output of layer 1 becomes the input for layer 2. With each layer, the abstraction and reasoning become deeper. These connections are called parameters. GPT-4 has trillions of them. They are the synaptic connections, the tiny dials tuned during training that hold the vast intelligence of the model. Despite the incredibly complex math, what is ChatGPT actually doing? It calculates probabilities, picks the most likely token, and repeats. ChatGPT is amazing at talking to humans, but what if we wanted to book a flight or query a database? Computers hate conversational English. They demand rigid structure. To build autonomous AI agents, we need a bridge between the conversational transformer and the rigid systems of the web. This bridge is a data format called JSON. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, was standardized in 2017, the exact same year the transformer was invented. It is the universal, language-agnostic format that all modern web applications use to communicate. But JSON is unforgiving. Keys must be double-quoted strings. There are exactly 6 allowed data types. A single trailing comma will crash the system. It requires absolute precision. Today, models like DeepSeek and GPT-4 are specifically trained to output strict JSON. They take the chaotic nuance of human language and distill it into perfect machine-readable commands. There is no ghost in the machine. It is a breathtaking symphony of mathematics. Tokens mapped into space, connected by attention, and structured by JSON to interface with the world. The future isn't magic, it's geometry.